Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can create a donate button on your PayPal account. Now you can create a donate button in both PayPal account. By that I mean you can create it on business account and on personal account. Just the difference is on business account there's just more option to this donate button thing, but in your personal account you have less option to work with. Alright, you can create donate button in both of your accounts, so don't get confused. So right now I'm using my personal account over here to create a donate button. But before moving forward, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our channel with notification on. And let's get right into the video. So with donate button, basically if you set a donate button, then people can come to your PayPal and they can just click on this donate button and donate you money if they want to. Alright, so that's the feature of this donate button. So let me show you how you guys can create it. First, you want to come to this place called paypal.com/donate/buttons. Once you come here, it's going to ask you to log in into your account. After logging into your account, you're going to be welcome to this page. So remember that paypal.com/donate/buttons is over here. You guys can see it. Type that in your search engine, come to this page, and over here you can customize your button as well. So first you want to choose which region or country you are from. I'm from United States. Choose United States. Language English. And what type of PayPal button you want, large or small. So if I go on small, this is going to be my donate button. If I go on large, this is going to be my donate button. All right, so you can also click on show accepted card locks to show you which card it accepts over here as well. Now remember, whichever thing you choose, your donate button is going to look like this at the end. So just keep that in mind, how your donate button is going to look like. And you can also use your own image. If you click on use your own image and enter the image from your computer over here or from your storage as well, but I like to use PayPal's custom button over here, and I can click on continue and it's going to take you to this page. Now once you're over here, you can let your donors know what they're donating to by entering your purpose over here to raise their money. And after doing that, you want to click on continue and your donate button will be created. But right now I don't want to create a donate button, so I'm not going to create one. But if you want to create it after you enter your purpose, now remember, entering your purpose is optional. If you like, you can. If you don't, then you can leave it empty. So just remember that. All right, an email address to receive payment. You want to enter the email address in which you want to receive the payment over here. So yeah, just keep that in mind. And after clicking on continue, your donate button will appear. So that's basically how you guys can create it. So if you guys found our video helpful, do hit that like and subscribe to our channel with notification on. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye.